Hi, I'm David, founder of FairSplit.com. Most families who find us just need an impartial system to create a division of personal property after losing a loved one. The good news is that we have that system. FairSplit is an online private family account securely hosted by Amazon Web Services. It's simple, and it works. In the past, property division was cumbersome, requiring all the parties to come together in person. It was costly, time-consuming, and stressful. Having the FairSplit system all online makes it transparent, efficient, fair, and accessible to all parties. This process requires no travel, emailed attachments, or big scheduling issues. I want you to know first and foremost that we want to help you. After all, there's no reason you should be good at this. It's likely the only time you've ever had to try to do it. My team and I are here to assist you, whether you need experienced guidance with a more complex heir situation, or simple assistance uploading photos, getting items listed, categorized, and ready for division, even putting estimated values if needed. You can also literally have me help run the whole process for your family as administrator. We've helped thousands of heirs and divorcing couples over the last 10+ years. Many law firms, fiduciaries, and trust companies now use FairSplit as their default way to divide tangible personal property. So welcome. I'm very glad you found us.